gentlemen, जोरदार तालियां हो जाए for Fever Voice of Change and for John Abraham right here, right now, Fever के ऑफिस में
मैं रंगीन
John Abraham, yes.
Abraham और आप सबके साथ मिलकर फीवर वॉइस ऑफ चेंज के जरिए
बिल्कुल,
बदलाव
hi.
लाएंगे।
So nice to have you, please come.
Voice of Change.
रंगीली रुचि फीवर 104 एफएम में सबसे पहले आप सभी का बहुत स्वागत है, तहे दिल से स्वागत है। It is a happy moment for all of us and I am more than obliged कि आप सभी लोग समय निकाल करके यहाँ पर आए हैं। So thank you so much for that. मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी हमारे सीईओ मिस्टर हर्षद जैन से भी कि आके ज्वाइन करें। यस, टिल द टाइम वो यहाँ पर ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, मैं चाहूंगी कि आप सुने कि पिछले 3 सालों में हमने क्या अचीव किया है, हमने क्या कोशिश की है। अचीव करने में तो अभी बहुत समय बाकी है, ये तो सिर्फ शुरुआत है, बदलाव की शुरुआत हमने की है। सो आई थिंक कैन वी प्लीज हैव द प्रोमोस of all the campaigns and activities.
मी एक 40 वर्षाची बाई आहे,
15 इयर्स की रहता है, जो कमेंट्स पास करते हैं,
धक्के मारायचा प्रयत्न करतात,
नजदीक आने की कोशिश करते हैं, इतना छेड़ते हैं कि it becomes disgusting।
बाइक पे रहते हैं, कट मारने की कोशिश करते हैं।
आसपास इतने सारे लोग होते हैं लेकिन फिर भी वो कुछ नहीं बोलते हैं। डर लगता है, क्या करें, कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है।
मैं हूँ जॉन एब्राहम। को कम कर सकते हैं बल्कि इन्हें पूरी तरह खत्म कर सकते हैं। फीवर वॉइस ऑफ चेंज कहता है अब बकवास।
तो ये थी एक पहल, एक शुरुआत, बदलाव की शुरुआत जो कि 3 साल पहले हम लेकर के आए थे। बदलाव जारी है, जारी रहेगा। हम बोलते आए हैं कि अब बकवास बंद, बदलाव शुरू। आई एम सो हैप्पी कि आज हमारे साथ में यहाँ पर जॉन इब्राहिम एक बार फिर से जुड़े हैं। थैंक यू सो मच। ऑल्सो along with John Abraham, we have the CEO of Fever 104 FM, Mr. Harshad Jain, and the Chief Programming Officer, Mr. Gaurav Sharma. Thank you so much for joining me on dais. इससे पहले कि हम आगे बढ़े, 3 साल की जो हमारी जर्नी रही है, उसके लिए मैं यही कहना चाहती हूं कि कोशिश करोगे तो हल निकलेगा। कोशिश करोगे तो हल निकलेगा, आज नहीं तो कल निकलेगा, पर हल निकलेगा। मैं चाहूंगी हर्षद जी कि आप कुछ कहें जरूर। 3 साल पूरे हुए हैं। यू नो, हम ऑब्वियसली अपने आप को एंटरटेनमेंट का बाप कहते हैं मुंबई में, इट्स एन एंटरटेनमेंट बिजनेस, लेकिन यू नो वाज देयर समथिंग जिसने इमोशनली कुछ ट्रिगर किया था? हाउ डिड ऑल दिस स्टार्ट 3 years बैक? कहाँ से शुरू हुआ था?
Good morning, everyone. So, in 2014, we guys had made a trip to South Africa. And so me and Gaurav had gone, we were negotiating a joint venture with one of South Africa's largest media company. And, I particularly remember we were in Cape Town. And in the night, we'd gone through series of presentations in Johannesburg, and this was this company over there, and we traveled to South Africa, to Cape Town in the evening. And in the night we were sitting and we were reflecting on what had happened during the entire day. And one of the things which really stood out of that company, they were running an initiative which is called Lead SA. Lead SA as in Lead South Africa, that was the name of the program. And I can't, I don't remember the name of that particular bar, but I remember we were sitting and chatting. And I told Gaurav, I said, this Lead SA is a very, very powerful program. For people who are, aware of South Africa, it has got a very, very high crime rate, and it has got some very, very serious problems in terms of law and order. And as a media company, they had absolutely done something fabulous work on Lead SA. And I told him, I said, if we can do something which is akin to what Lead SA is in India, it would certainly be of something of great help to the country. And I always believe that as corporate organizations, while we are very, very focused on our balance sheets and on our P&Ls, but I think it's also important that we give it back to the society. So that was the thought, and that was when this entire seed got germinated. And we came back and we started thinking on what we should do, and and what should be the name and all of that, and who should lead it. So while still in South Africa, we discussed it with them, and they said, if you want to really make it into a big movement, you should have somebody who's connects with everybody in India. Not only with it's important that somebody should be the face of this campaign, which connects with the youth, which connects with the entire populace of the country in equal measures. It should not be that it should only be an icon which is connects to the youth, but the older people don't connect with the person, and it should be a person we should connect with all masses with equal kind of dosages. So we came back and we discussed it. We finally agreed on the name, which is called Fever Voice of Change, and we said then who can be the face of this campaign. And I have to say this, 3 years into it, the only name which came to our mind and the only name which we said we are going to, which will be the face of this campaign was John Abraham.
Absolutely.
And, so, we discussed it in Delhi and we said it's got to be only John Abraham, and the reasons are very, very simple. I don't have to say it. I think John is, he's a son to every mother. He's a brother to every brother. He is, looked upon by everybody. He's got phenomenal connect, whether it's in the urban markets or it's in the rural markets. He's a fitness icon. He's a youth icon. But at the same time, he's, I have to say this, every man on the road also connects with John. So once we agreed that, it's got to be John, and then we said we must now meet up with him. And a meeting was fixed up. We came back in October of 2014, and in February of 2014, it was a very, very cold winter day, and in the afternoon, we requested Sonal Kalra, who's not here, unfortunately. Sonal is the lady who heads she's the National Creative Director, Editor of HT City and HT Cafe. We told her, and she said, yeah, she would help us to get us to meet John. And on a February, I still remember, it was February of 2014, and John was staying at Imperial. And we walked into his suite to meet up with him. We started chatting about it. And I have to say this, that it started off with that small discussion in that entire room. And, we took up initiatives one after the other, and, 3 years have passed. In this entire journey, there are certain things which I think I have to share. While he's the face of the campaign, but many people should also realize that while he's the face of the campaign, apart from the face of the campaign, he's also, he's doing a lot of thinking and he's developing a lot of thoughts behind the campaign.
Bilkul, bilkul.
Right? So it's not only that he's available for his, he's available for his interviews, or he's available for, giving, dubbing or giving his voice. We've approached it in a very professional manner. John is also in equal measure, the brain behind this entire campaign. So the way we do it is that every 3 months there is a certain calendar which we agree on, and that calendar is mutually agreed. We come up with thoughts. John has his own thoughts, and we decide to finalize it. He gives his thinking. He gives his entire inputs. And the other thing is that while I'm just taking a little more time, but I think it's very important that the way he has taken on this initiative, it's an eye-opener for a lot of people who are public figures. So whether they are sportsmen, whether they are people in the film fraternity, or even in the government, this movement, I think John has opened up a lot of people are looking at it from a very different lens. Ever since John has got associated with it, he's the face of it. But now we've got cricketers who are supporting this, whether it is Yuvraj Singh, whether it is Gautam Gambhir, who's now become a face of it, whether it is Mr. Bachchan, whether it is Varun Dhawan. Everybody's lended their name into this thing. And I think John has clearly been an inspiration for a lot of people who are public figures, that they have a responsibility to give it back to the society. So that's one. The second is that, and I have to say this, that he's absolutely been fabulous during his very, very busy days as well. If we've had to have a meeting with him, even if he's shooting, he will take out time and he will come. Even if the meetings have to happen in the morning or in the evening or in the night, it is going to happen, and he will take that time out.
Zordar taaliyan ho jaye.
So all I can say is that on behalf of the team, I've never actually thanked John, but today I really take this opportunity to thank him, on behalf of the team and on behalf of the country where a lot of things is happening. Thank you, John, for everything that you've done. It means a lot to us and the country. Thank you so much.
Wow, that was brilliant. Thank you so much for those words and all the insight. What went behind Fever Voice of Change, it was wonderful to know that. With your permission, मैं एक AV दिखाना चाहूंगी यहाँ पर आए हुए सभी मीडिया मेंबर्स को and also everybody else who's joined us this morning. 3 साल में क्या इम्पैक्ट रहा है, क्या प्रभाव डाला है हमने, एक छोटी सी कोशिश एक बदलाव लेकर के आने की. Let's take a look at the AV.
3 साल पहले फीवर 104 FM ने